This video is a very short video to show you how to make annotations or add feedback when you receive a proof in Asana. This is not an ideal tool to use if you have a multiple page document. I recommend you use Adobe PDF, Adobe Acrobat commenting tools to perform um, feedback or leave annotations in a document that has multiple pages. But things like logos or one pagers, you can easily do that inside Asana. So here we have a review task for reviewing this logo proof. When you click on the task, on the right hand side, a window pops open. Inside that window are instructions. It tells several different things: who it's assigned to, when the due date is, the project name, the type of creative. It has several different information tabs here, but the one you're most concerned with is who it's assigned to, the due date, and the description, which includes the instructions on how to complete the task. These instructions are modified based on whether it's a multi-page document or a logo or not. So in these instructions, it says, please review this proof by clicking the image and select Add Feedback in the upper right corner. So I'm going to do just that. For the first image, I'm going to click on it, and it will appear. When it appears in the upper right hand corner, you click Add Feedback, and you can click anywhere on this document where you want the change to take place. And once you click on it, you can type in whatever you want this to be. Change E to blue. And then in the description, you can say use blue from brand palette. Then click create task, and it will create the task, and our team will get a notification about the fact that a task has been completed. You're going to continue to repeat these steps. I'm just going to delete it so it's not captured. You're going to continue to complete that same step, repeat that same step for all of the edits you have for this particular image. Once you're done, you simply want to click the X in the upper right hand corner, and it will take you back to the window where you were when you initially started. Once you're done, you're going to select one of three options in the upper left corner of this task. Now, if you didn't have any changes, you simply click Approve. If you had changes that you entered, you want to click Request Changes. And then a task will be created for our team to review and to go through and make the appropriate changes. Rarely is there an instance where you would use reject, but if you click reject, what that means is you do not want this selection. You may want to approve another selection, especially if you've been given like 3 different options for a logo design, for example. So once you do all of that, you either click one of these 3 options, then you can move on because the task will be then assigned to someone on the Affinity Media team. I hope this was helpful and you can quickly get started. Thanks.